Okay, so the guys from JCB have really treated me. They've given me a nice range of their new E-Tech 18V power tools. Let's take a look at this product. Let's unbox this and have a look at it. So in the box we've got our instructions, the little accessory pack, and the body. Okay, so let's get rid of the box. Okay. View that. Out of the bag. And let's see what we've got in the accessories as well. So immediately I can feel that is solid. So we've got all this rubber around here as well and all the impact points. Yeah, that's a nice looking product. Let's have a look, see what we've got in the accessories here as well. So we've got some cutting tools. We've got the sanding adapter as well. Okay, so let's have a look at getting how we put the tools on and off. So first off, release, push across to the back. This is going to open this collar here. So depending on the tool that you want, you put into position. Obviously you can change it at multiple different angles, whatever suits you. You just pop it on there to start with, and then release that back, clamps it in, locks it into place. And we've also got the on and off here as well. So with all of these products from JCB, we've got an integrated battery system. So for example, if I've got my jigsaw here, that's going to work easily with that. See how positive that is, and also how easy. This is straight out the box, brand new, nice and easy, no struggles. You're not going to struggle on site getting that on and off. See the oscillation, let's turn it right down. You see it? So as I increase, and then off. Holes, line up those little points on there, put it into the position you want, bring it across, lock it in, clamp into place, and then on here as well, you've got the fabric backing on there, which just pops on. The oscillation angle on this is 3 degrees, so there's a 3-degree movement from left to right. So this is the 8-piece multi-tool blade set to work in conjunction with your JCB Multi Tool power tool. So here, these guys have sent me this, and they've also sent me this little kit as well, which is going to be great. So this has got wood and metal bits in there. You can see straight away that you've got, these are the fine ones, so you've got the metal, wide, short. So whatever I'm going to come up against, I've got a tool hopefully for the job here. So if you're in the market for a multi-tool power tool, then I would definitely recommend this JCB product. It's rugged, it's solid, it's going to serve you well on site. And also if you need an accessory pack, then there's an additional 8-piece multi-pack as well. So this part number for this is the JCB PTA MT8.
For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.